After receiving the machine, open the side cover. Find the water inlet port. Here is the filling port. Then open the cap. Next step. Turn to the back of the machine. Locate the overflow outlet. Remove this screw. Now we can start filling the water. Just open this port to add water. If you need to drain the water, open this drain outlet. This is the drain port. Okay. In the package, find the silicone tube with the funnel. Insert the silicone tube into the water filling port. After inserting it, you can start adding water. Fill it completely. Keep filling until water flows out from the overflow outlet. You can see the overflow port. Once water overflows, it means the machine is fully filled. All right, filling is complete. Now we need to connect the power cable. Insert it securely like this. Lift and lock to secure the power cable. Then switch on the air circuit breaker. Now the machine can be powered on. Release the emergency stop button. Turn it clockwise once. Okay. Now turn on the machine. Enter the system. Select skin type. Select gender. Choose the treatment area. Like this. Check the arm area. After entering the interface, adjust the energy and start operating.